Hey, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because today is the first episode of the new fall trend guide. So a bunch of you have been asking for it. I'm thrilled to bring it back. If you don't know what the fall trend guide is and you're new over here, well, make sure to subscribe because there's new videos every Thursday. And the trend guide is something I've been doing for years over on my channel. I go to New York every season. I see a bunch of shows, then I come home and break down the trends and create these easy to follow videos for you, which I call the Sydney style trend guide. So it's not technically fall yet. It's still so hot in LA. I'm actually like sweating right now. I don't know what it's like where you live. So the way I like to kick off fall is with color. That way you can know all the colors of the season, and no matter the temperature, you can start getting fall ready. This fall, there's tons of vibrant color, but there are also a bunch of neutrals, so there's something for everyone. And I have all of them behind me, so you can see them back there. I got these from Pantone, which is the color authority of fashion. So I'm gonna break them down into different categories so it's easier to remember. So let's start with reds and pinks. There are two big reds this season. One they're calling a chili pepper, which is more of a vibrant classic red, and the other one they're calling biking red. I don't really know what that means, but basically it's more of a Merlot burgundy wine color. For vibrant red, I love red sweaters or jackets. Red lipstick, of course, is a must, classic. I also love a red dress, especially as we go into holiday season. For the darker biking red, you could do a deep red jacket or a dress or sweater, basically everything, and definitely think accessories. So a deep burgundy handbag or a pair of shoes. I know I have a couple pairs of boots that I wore a ton last fall that I'll be bringing out again. For pink, they're calling it Fruit Dove, which is a vibrant pink. So just think hot pink. Now, hot pink and a red go really well together. It's a combination that I personally love. I have a dress that's pink and red. You can mix different pinks and reds together. But if you want to just do pink, you can make a statement all on its own. I love pink with black. It makes a really bold statement. And of course, you can do makeup as well. So a bright pink lip. If you prefer lighter colors, there's a color that Pantone is calling peach pink. There's nothing tricky about that. It's exactly what it sounds like, a peach with a little bit of pink to it. So last year I did a peach turtleneck with a matching coat and I mixed it with leopard, but this is a great look if you want to bring some pastels into fall. Now, speaking of oranges, because peach is a little bit of an orange, orange and yellow are big for fall. So there's two colors that Pantone is saying is the big orange and yellow right now. One is called a tiger orange, which is a vibrant orange, like a tiger. And one is called a dark cheddar, which just makes me crave macaroni and cheese. I can't wait till it gets cooler out so I can eat macaroni and cheese. I'm obsessed with it, even though I gave up dairy, but vegan mac and cheese isn't so bad. But anyway, back to fashion. So orange is definitely a vibrant color for fall. It makes a huge statement. I actually like orange and yellow worn together. So if you go the more dark cheddar or like mustard route, they can look really pretty worn together. Now let's go from warmer tones into cooler tones, starting with blue. There's three different blues for fall. One is called evening blue, then there's galaxy blue and blue stone. So basically every blue goes, whether it's a navy, a brighter blue, or a lighter blue, maybe that has some gray undertone to it. I personally like wearing all the different blues together. I think it can create a really cool monochromatic look when you wear one color in different shades of it. I have a blue pair of leather pants that I love. That's a great alternative to black. You can do blue, navy blue dresses, and it's great for evening wear. So lots of options, and again, a great alternative to black for fall. And then for greens, there's two different greens. Eden, which is a darker, more jewel tone type emerald, and then guacamole. I love that name. Again, love guacamole. I guess whoever works at Pantone was hungry between the dark cheddar and guacamole. Anyway, so that's more of a vibrant, brighter green. I personally love blue and green together, like in a great plaid shirt, or you can do some color blocking for a fancier occasion. Or for green, accessories are a great way to go. I have a pair of green booties that I cannot wait to bring out. Now that we've covered the colors, let's go to neutrals. Brown is huge for fall. Again, we're gonna go with some food names. I'm really getting hungry. I have to Postmates after this video. So 2 different browns. One is a Rocky Road, which is a deeper brown, and then Sugar Almond, which is a lighter, richer brown, kind of like what I'm wearing. So a little bit of red or orange to it. Tons of options here. Coats, jackets, boots, accessories, basically anything goes with brown. I personally love pairing brown and black together. It used to be a silly fashion rule that you shouldn't do that. I say go for it, and it looks super, super chic. Now in more of the white colors, because I'm all about winter white, so I'm excited about this one. Vanilla Custard, which is essentially an off-white, but again, a food name, sounds delicious. So I love doing a monochromatic look with this. So head to toe, winter white. You can mix different textures like lace and faux fur and leather, and just really have fun with this one. And then there's also Creme de Pêche, which is essentially like this season's blush. So instead of a pinkish blush, it's more of a peachish blush, but still wear that blush. It's totally fine. And if you're a gray girl, there is a Paloma, which is this season's gray, which is a lighter gray. I love this look for sweaters, super cozy, or a gray coat, or booties. So whew, that was a lot. It is so hot. I hope you don't see my sweat through this sugar almond blouse. Again, I'm so hungry. All those names made me starving. So I'm gonna order some food, but I hope that helps you think about fall in terms of colors. And I would love to see how you are wearing the trends at home. So throughout this series, we always use the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. So just upload a photo to Instagram, tag me at Sydney Summer, and tag #SSTrendGuide, and I post my favorite trend girls of the week over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletters. And I am going. What am I going to do? Order food. Subscribe. Yes, make sure to subscribe, because there are tons of new videos coming your way every Thursday. Love you guys. Happy fall.